Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by backing up the project and the existing third-person character blueprint so you can revert if needed. Next, import your new skeletal mesh, textures, and animation FBX into the content browser. Make sure to select the existing skeleton if compatible. If not compatible, perform skeleton retargeting using the Retarget Manager. Once done, verify the mesh and basic animations in the mesh viewer, so you know the new assets are clean before swapping them into gameplay. Open the third-person character blueprint and replace the skeletal mesh component with your imported mesh. You must also assign the corresponding anim blueprint so animations play correctly. Make sure to update the capsule component and adjust collision settings because different proportions change hit detection. Then fine-tune mesh scale and rotation so feet line up with the floor, and reattach sockets like weapon or camera mounts. These adjustments prevent clipping and ensure movement and gameplay code behave as expected. Now play in the editor and exercise all movement states: walk, run, jump, and fall, watching for animation mismatches or collision problems. If animations look off, retarget or tweak the anim blueprint and fix root motion settings. Make sure animation blend spaces reference the right parameters. Adjust the physics asset to match the new mesh and reassign hitboxes for accurate hits. If things go wrong, verify skeleton names and bone hierarchy first. Most issues come from incompatible skeletons or...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.